When it comes to transforming the atmosphere of your home, few architectural details make as much impact as exposed beams. Traditionally associated with grand country estates, charming cottages, and stately manors, wooden beams evoke a sense of craftsmanship and timeless style. However, installing real timber beams can be costly, heavy, and require significant structural support. Enter faux beams, a clever and accessible solution that brings the high-end look of real wood into your space without the complications. Today, discover how faux beams can elevate your home, the styles you can achieve, and practical tips for selecting and installing them so you can enjoy the warmth, texture, and elegance of beams, no matter your budget or your ceiling structure. Faux beams are architectural elements crafted from lightweight materials such as high-density polyurethane or engineered wood. Designed to mimic the appearance of authentic timber, they feature realistic wood grain, knots, and textures, often hand-finished for added detail. Because they are hollow, faux beams are significantly lighter than solid wood, making them suitable for ceilings and walls that might not support the weight of real beams. Their versatility and affordability have made them a favourite option for homeowners, interior designers, and builders seeking that coveted high-end look. One of the most appealing aspects of faux beams is their adaptability to a wide range of interior styles. In a modern farmhouse, use whitewashed beams to add rustic charm. In a contemporary loft, opt for sleek dark-stained beams to create a sense of architectural drama. Even in minimalist or traditional spaces, faux beams can be tailored to complement the existing design, offering a subtle nod to history or an eye-catching focal point. Begin your journey by considering the overall aesthetic you want to achieve. Are you hoping for a cozy, rustic retreat with weathered, rough-hewn beams, or a refined, classic ambience with smooth stained finishes? Faux beams come in an array of finishes: oak, walnut, cherry, reclaimed wood, and more, so it's easy to find a look that matches your vision. Some manufacturers even offer custom staining services, allowing you to coordinate the beams with your floors, cabinetry, or other woodwork. Choosing the right size and scale is essential for creating an authentic effect. Oversized beams can overwhelm a small room, while beams that are too slim may look insubstantial in a large open space. As a general rule, consider the height and width of your ceiling. For standard 8-foot ceilings, beams around 4 to 6 inches wide and 6 to 8 inches tall tend to look proportionate. In rooms with vaulted or cathedral ceilings, you can go much larger, making a bold design statement that draws the eye upward. Placement is another key factor. Exposed beams don't always need to run the full length of a room. You might create a coffered ceiling by arranging beams in a grid pattern, or use a single beam as a decorative accent over a kitchen island or entryway. Faux beams are also ideal for covering existing structural elements such as steel support beams or wiring, seamlessly integrating them into the design. In open concept spaces, beams can help define zones, visually separating the kitchen from the living area, for example, without the need for walls. Installation of faux beams is a straightforward process that many confident DIYers can tackle, though professional installation is always an option for those seeking perfection. The lightweight nature of faux beams means they can be secured directly to drywall or plaster using construction adhesive and screws. Some beams come with mounting brackets or clips for added stability. Because they are hollow, faux beams offer the added benefit of concealing wiring for recessed lighting, pendant fixtures, or even speakers, allowing you to combine architectural style with modern convenience. Maintenance is another area where faux beams shine. Unlike real timber, which can warp, crack, or require regular sealing, faux beams are resistant to moisture, pests, and temperature fluctuations. They're easy to clean, just a quick dusting or wipe down will keep them looking beautiful for years. This makes faux beams a great choice not only for living rooms and bedrooms, but also for kitchens, bathrooms, or even outdoor spaces like covered patios. The transformative power of faux beams extends beyond their visual appeal. Well-placed beams can enhance your home's acoustics, reducing echo in large rooms and adding a sense of intimacy. They also bring texture and depth to flat ceilings, breaking up monotonous expanses and adding architectural interest. In homes with open floor plans, faux beams can make expansive ceilings feel cozier and more inviting, encouraging relaxation and conversation. When it comes to cost, faux beams are typically a fraction of the price of solid wood, both in material and installation. Because they are lightweight, shipping and handling are less expensive, and the installation process is less labour intensive. This affordability means you can achieve a luxury look without exceeding your renovation budget, freeing up resources for other upgrades. For those seeking an eco-friendly option, many faux beams are made from recycled materials and use environmentally responsible manufacturing processes. By choosing faux over new timber, you help reduce demand for old-growth forests while still enjoying the beauty of wood in your home. Don't overlook the power of lighting in showcasing your beams. Uplighting or track lighting can highlight the grain and texture, creating dramatic shadows and a sense of depth. Consider integrating dimmable fixtures to enhance the mood, or add pendant lights for a touch of industrial or farmhouse flair. As you plan your project, gather inspiration from a variety of sources. Look to historic homes, boutique hotels, and stylish restaurants for ideas on beam patterns, finishes, and arrangements. Consult with your contractor or designer to determine the best layout for your space, and don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes the most memorable designs come from bold choices. In the end, faux beams offer an accessible pathway to high-end style, inviting warmth, character, and architectural interest into any home. Whether your taste leans rustic or refined, modern or traditional, these versatile elements can be customized to reflect your personal vision. With careful selection and thoughtful installation, faux beams can become the crowning feature of your space, proof that luxury and practicality can go hand in hand. So if you've dreamed of grand beams overhead but hesitated at the thought of cost or complexity, faux beams may be the perfect solution to bring your vision to life.